मेहरबान साहिबान कदरदान दिल थाम के बैठिए, हम आपके सामने एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन शो पेश करने जा रहे हैं। 'Cause it's all about the good news. We got so much good news. We got some good news coming our way. We got some good news for you all the way from India.
Manasi, that was so much fun. इस special treat के लिए शुक्रिया. Inspired by the Crisis Project's initiative called Letters to the NHS in the UK, 21-year-olds Tara and Anshi from Mumbai started their own movement called Right to Recognize. ये अलग-अलग volunteers से चिट्ठियाँ लिखवाती हैं and they send it to various doctors, nurses, pilots, grocery store workers, police, street vendors and delivery boys across the country. Of course, इन letters से pleasantly surprised होकर बहुत सारे workers ने तारा और आंशी को email भी किया to say thank you. Lots of love and kudos to you, Tara and Anshi, for this wonderful initiative. One of our favorite YouTubers, Bhuvan Bham, भी इन दिनों volunteer कर रहे हैं with the Himkant Foundation, जिनके साथ he feeds the ones in need. I'm sure आपने उनका show T2 Talks तो देखा होगा, especially that episode. In case you haven't, Bhuvan went out and caught up with some of the lifelines of our society like housemaids, farmers and milkmen and spoke to them about their current situation. और Bhuvan के इस वीडियो से उन्होंने जो भी पैसा कमाया वो पूरा donate कर दिया. So of course, I called him about this good news.
Thank you so much for being on Some Good News. ये हमने शो बनाया है because there's so much negativity कि I feel that कुछ positive news पे focus करना चाहिए and it's so nice to have you on the show क्योंकि आपकी शक्ल देख के everybody smiles.
Thank you. This means a lot and thanks for having me.
But I think it's so amazing. वैसे तो I've been watching your T2 Talks for so long and आपका show बहुत ही मज़ेदार है. But I was so impressed to see कि आपके latest episode में you weren't talking to celebrities, you were talking to the real heroes. So tell me a little bit about this episode और ये आपने कैसे decide किया?
See, we've all been watching news since a long time now, and right from the day one, it's always been about how migrants are suffering, how people are walking back home, how the lockdown has hit the middle class families. So this episode had to be about the people who are genuinely getting affected by the lockdown, and I thought कि कॉमेडी तो होती रहती है, कॉमेडी तो करता ही हूँ मैं, but this episode needs to be about a reality check.
And it was such a moving episode and the best part is कि सारी जो आपकी income है from this has gone to help people. Yeah. And I also wanted to know कि और भी how can people help, how can they contribute? I know you've been part of the Himkant Foundation as well. तो लोग कैसे help कर सकते हैं?
Yeah. So Himkant Foundation is doing it since the first day of lockdown, so they are doing it every day and उनको funds की जरूरत पड़ती है, तो जैसे उनको funds आते हैं वैसे they go with it. Also अगर funds कोई नहीं दे सकता, so they even have donors जो रोटी बना के दे देते हैं, सब्जी बना के दे देते हैं, so वो वैसे help हो जाता है.
और मैंने सबसे अच्छी बात जो आपकी लगी was, a lot of times people feel कि how can I do something big? I don't know मैं कैसे contribute करूँ. But you said something so simple कि आप ऐसी छोटी सी चीज कर सकते हैं. You can check on your watchman. You can check on your mate. How are they doing? So what are some of the other things that the people are watching कि मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? Something small and simple that's within my control.
More than a monetary help, to be compassionate about someone else's situation is way more than enough. I think अगला बंदा जो कि सफर कर रहा है वो ये नहीं चाहता कि मुझे पैसे मिल जाए, मुझे ये हो जाए. उनको सबसे ज्यादा ये फिक्र होती है कि कोई एटलीस्ट मेरी खबर पूछ ले. It's not the bigger thing or bigger step that counts. It's always empathy. वो empathy अगर होती है तो सबको लगता है कि चल हम अकेले नहीं है और भी कोई हमारे बारे में सोच रहा है.
Bhuvan, I've always loved you. You always have had such a positive vibe. मगर आपकी this empathy देख के I'm so, if you don't mind me saying, proud of you since I'm like the influencer auntie now. But I just wanted to know कि आप में इतनी empathy कहाँ से, like how did you find this empathy जो like you said बचपन से होती है. So what did you experience that gave you this?
See, so I've just shifted in this house like a year ago, and मैं जहाँ रहता था, जहाँ पे usually मेरा videos shoot होता है जिस घर में, तो अभी वहाँ जा नहीं सकते क्योंकि लॉकडाउन है वहाँ. तो वहाँ पे मैं I've been there for 23 years. मैं उस घर में 23 साल रहा हूँ. And since then, the first day we shifted, there was this auntie who used to work for us, and she worked for us for 23 years.
Wow.
So she's seen me grow. Now when we shifted, it was difficult for her to come along with us because she has family. So, and she can't walk till here, or she can't take any
Yeah.
bus till here.
Yeah.
So my mom has created a separate bank account for her. If she works for us or not, it's our duty monthly. Monthly, we send her the same salary we used to give her. अगर आप इतना नहीं कर सकते उनके लिए जिन्होंने 23 साल आपके लिए सर्विस किया है, देन यू फिर तो होता ही नहीं है. सो ये चीजें घर में ही सीखते हैं. मैं घर में ही सीख रहा हूँ ये सब चीजें कि हाउ टू हेल्प पीपल हु हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर यू.
Thank you so much, Bhuvan. Thank you so much for what you're doing. And everyone should go watch T2 Talks because all the money is going towards helping people who need it the most right now. Thank you so much, Bhuvan. Lots of love to you and keep doing what you do.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Bhuvan, for reaching out to your millions of followers and showing everyone how empathy and kindness can make a huge difference. 2020 में we've had to cancel too many of our plans, पर हम इस साल का Pride Parade कैसे cancel करते? So to end the Pride month on a high note, we celebrated a virtual Pride Parade with Sushant Bivgekar, Elton Fernandez, and several of our favorites from the LGBTQIA+ community. बहुत मजा आया. Take a look.
Broken down and tired, I'm living life on a merry-go-round. You can fight fighter, but I still we're gonna walk it out.
Miles, how's it going, honey?
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side.
That's the powerful thing about Pride, coming together, unifying, really feeling that you're not alone, that you're supported, that there are many, many, many beautiful versions of us as humans, and also having visibility and showing our power, you know, that we're not small in number, we grow, and we're strong, and we're colourful, and we're joyful, and hell, we all know how to throw a party.
Thank you for celebrating with us.
केरला के 11 साल के मोहम्मद अली के पास एक ही सपना था. He's going to own his own PlayStation. इस साल उनके बर्थडे पर उनका सपना फाइनली पूरा होने वाला था. But guess what? He asked his parents to buy 2 TV sets and a tablet and donated those to the kids who need it so they can take online lessons. Ali, we're super proud of you. And now it's time for some good advice. This week's SGN India correspondent is Reyansh Juneja. Over to you, Reyansh.
Hi guys, my name is Ran. Today I'm going to tell you the 4 safety precautions to prevent you from the virus. Number 1. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water, as you know. Number 2. Do not hug or touch people. Say namaste, namaste, namaste. Instead of shaking hands, you can wink at people like hi, ting, how are you, ting. Number 3. Avoid going in public places and stay home, watch Netflix and play games. 4. Do not be scared and be happy but take small precautions. Bye bye till next time and boom to coronavirus. Boom to coronavirus. Boom to coronavirus. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Bye.
Thank you, Reyansh. I've been following your advice and watching a lot of shows on Netflix too. And that's a wrap. आप सब social distancing maintain करते रहिए और अगर आप अपने दोस्तों को बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं, then just plan and host an online game night and keep everyone's spirits up. And if you come across some good news, just use the hashtag #SomeGoodNewsIndia or tag @MissMalini so we can feature it. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay positive. See you next week.